Hello everyone, this is Marlin Carter again, and welcome to my video. And this video is about uh, an online marketing tool that you can use to build your capture pages, get an autoresponder. And the reason why I am promoting this because I love it, and I've tried so many different more uh, autoresponders and capture pages, and they don't work like this one do. And plus, it's free. Most of the capture pages or the autoresponders that you build, or the autoresponder program that you join is going to cost you $15 or something to get started. You might even join for free. But once your list starts growing, as a matter of fact, the main purpose of promoting anything is to build a list, a contact list. And you would be looking for an autoresponder. Autoresponder, if you don't know, is a program that was, it's a marketing system, more or less, that will send your emails or your messages out to your list, and the capture pages that you get within these systems will allow you to gather subscribers from those capture pages, but it's going to cost you. uh, I'm telling you, I'm about done with all the rest of these programs when I start looking at Leadsleap. This is a program you can join for free, and it can be for free forever unless you want to make an affiliated commission off of it, and that's not bad either. You join for $19 a month when you upgrade, and but you can stay a free member for life, and look at what you get. We're giving you a free lifetime membership. This is what you will get: traffic to your website that's human, not bot. List manager, 10 lists, unlimited subscribers. Isn't that wonderful? Unlimited subscribers. I just left an autoresponder program that I didn't pay. I'm not going to call any names. I didn't pay nothing to get in it, but I became a basic member for $15. And after I got over 1,000 subscribers, then the price started going up. And the more leads you bring into that program, your price is going to go up and up and up. So here's one that you can have unlimited. You can have unlimited subscribers. You can build up to 10 lists. This is for free. You can build up to 10 lists, and that's different lists, and you get unlimited subscribers. I like that. And the page builders, you can have 10 pages for free, hosting included. Pop-up creator, 10 pop-ups, hosting included. Link tracker, unlimited with a rotator. I like that. All this I just love, and it's for free. But I am an upgraded member, which I pay $19 a month, and I can have just more than 10 pages, more than 10 lists. It's unlimited, but still, even with the free lifetime membership, you get all of this I'm showing you now for free. Make money 4 ways, some super easy, and more. Read on to find out. So come over here, go to this page. I'm going to put a link down in the bottom of this video in the description part, and you click on that link. It's going to bring you to this page and just get you a free membership. So I'm going to log in and kind of show you a little bit about what I love about this system. I love everything about it, but I love this especially because I just left programs that I was paying monthly for, and I have another one. I love it too. I love the capture pages, but it doesn't add up to this right here. All this you're gonna get. I'm gonna go down here. You can build capture pages for free. You can build capture pages. You can send out broadcasts. That means you can send out newsletters. Uh, Okay, let's go to List Manager. And one thing about it, you get leads. See this right here? That means I have 89 leads that I got over the past week. 89 leads. Okay, email series. All of this is follow-up messages that's going out daily, one after one. This is the first, this one right here, they get soon as they opt into your lead capture page. And you build your lead capture page through the back office, through this system. All these messages that I have set up to go out day after day. And you see the open rate right here is 21. I sent 199 messages out so far. And right here, all these are active. And I just started building my list when day before yesterday. And you see I'm getting the clicks, I'm getting the opens. Some of them not clicked on yet, but that's okay. You don't stop, you just continue, especially when you have something like this. Right here is where you can broadcast them. I have set up a broadcast email to go out. So whatever you're promoting, you can promote it through Leadsleap. This is my review on Leadsleap, and this is why I love it. My pages. Here's where you can build your pages, campaigns. You can add new campaign right here. These are my pages. Well, this is my page. This is just for the use of a free member, but I'm a pro member. This is for premium use right here. Let's click on it. See, I made this page right through this system. You see the page that I built? I put the background on there. Well, you have templates already laid out that you can revise and put what you want on there, and you can choose your background. They have different backgrounds. Let's go back over here. If I can find the background. Okay, let's go over here. See, you with the when you create your page, you're gonna have a launch editor right here. See, you're gonna click launch editor, and you can go in here and just revise it. See that right there? Look at the background back there. Let's just click on this right here. You see these different backgrounds that you can put in there? You have different backgrounds that you can use. Just say, for instance, I want to use this one right here. All I have to do is click on it, and you see how it changed? So this is the way you do it. This is the way you do it. I'm not going to save it because I've already created my background and I like it. But I might make another page just to, you see how I put that background in there? And it's simple. You can do it. You can do it. And you have all kind of tutorials that will teach you. See, it's not going to be saved right here because I didn't go up here to save it. But that's the way you save your work. But I just love it. I love playing around with it. And I'm sure you're going to love it too. This is for free. Join it for free. Start sending, getting your leads in there. Start sending out. Look at here, seven days. Out of 7 days, total 1.6 thousand unique, 723 real time, 740 action 101. And so it tells you, it gives you the stats of your pages once you build. And I just love this system. I love it. I'm sure you're going to love it too, because for one thing, it's free. You don't ever have to pay. But when you see the potentials in the compensation plan, you will upgrade to that $19. Most of these autoresponders programs will cost you these lead capture program will cost you from $50 on up to hundreds of dollars once you start building your list. But this one, you don't ever have to pay a dime if you don't want to. My name is Marlin Carter. This has been my take on the Leadsleap, and where I should say my review of the Leadsleap and how I'm gathering in leads through this system, and how I can send out uh, my newsletter or my broadcast daily, and how I can build my pages, how I can create lists. Here's your list manager right here. This is where you create your list right here. Add a new list. But anyway, come over here and enjoy the program for yourself. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it as well as I. If you're a marketer, you're gonna love it. This is Leadsleap 4.0. It's now here. And it's been some upgrades, and you're gonna love this system. I know you are. And just come over here, click get your free membership. You click that and just put in your information, and you're on your way. I am Marlin Carter, the elder Marlin Carter, out of Dallas, Texas. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can be alerted to the next video that I send. Just click that icon bell like a Liberty Bell. Just click it and you will be alerted on my next video when I record it. All right. Have a wonderful day or night. Be blessed. Bye-bye.